To change the PIN on a Simplisafe smart lock, start by using the keypad. Press the menu button. Then navigate to the PINs section and select the PIN you want to change. Next, enter your master PIN, followed by the new PIN. Alternatively, you can change your PIN online by visiting the Simplisafe website, logging into your account, and selecting the settings option. From there, navigate to the PINs section and follow the directions. However, this online option is not available for users with a standard monitoring plan. If you are unable to change your PIN using these methods, you can call customer support at 800-548-9508 for assistance. When you call, be prepared to explain your issue and provide your safe word to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change your Simplisafe smart lock PIN.